In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate subitems on Monday. Com. Start by going to monday.com and logging into your account. Once you're in, open the board that contains the subitems you want to copy. Make sure you're on the correct board before continuing, especially if you manage several projects, because duplicated subitems will stay connected to the same parent item. Next, find the main item that contains the subitems you want to duplicate, and click on that item to expand the subitem section. This will let you see all of the subitems listed underneath it. Take a moment here to confirm you've opened the right parent item, since the duplicate will appear under that same item. Now, hover your cursor over the specific subitem you want to duplicate. As you hover, look for the three-dot menu next to that subitem. Click that menu to open more options. In the drop-down that appears, click Duplicate. This tells Monday.com that you want to create a copy of that exact subitem instead of editing or moving it. After that, Monday.com may ask you to choose whether you want to include column data and updates. This part is important. Including column data means the duplicated subitem will keep the information stored in its columns, such as status, dates, people, numbers, or other tracked details. Including updates means any update history connected to that subitem may also be copied, depending on the options available in your workspace. Choose the settings that make the most sense for what you need. Once you've selected your options, click Duplicate again to confirm. Monday.com will then create the copied subitem for you. After a moment, verify that the duplicated subitem appears under the same parent item. This quick check helps make sure the duplication worked properly and that the copy landed in the correct place. If you need to clone more than one subitem, simply repeat the same process for each additional subitem. Open the three-dot menu, choose Duplicate, select your copy options, and confirm. It's a straightforward way to save time when you're working with repeated tasks, checklists, or project steps that need the same structure. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A useful tip here is to double-check the duplicated subitem right after it appears, especially if you included column data or updates. That helps you catch anything you may want to adjust right away, like dates, assignees, or statuses, so the copied subitem fits your workflow correctly. And that's it. You successfully duplicated subitems on Monday.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.